Okay, you guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be making 8 little mini wreaths. I purchased everything pretty much at Michael's. I grabbed these little 2 packs. There's 2 wreaths in one package, so these are already separated, but I bought 4 packs to make the 8. I got a few things for the different holidays to add. I got ribbon. I wanted them all to be a different color. I got little bees for the summer one. So I have a pile of greenery, and then I have all of these flowers right here that I'm going to go through and just divide them up into the 8 different arrangements, and then we will get started on making all of the wreaths. So I have 8 bags ready with a wreath in each one, and then I'm going to just divide up some of this little filler between them, or actually I'm just going to use the filler as I go. So I have my section over here for Valentine's Day, fall, summer, 4th of July, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, spring, and Christmas. And then this I will just use in between as filler as well as I go. So I'm going to just put them all in bags and go one at a time. And you guys should be super proud of me. I bought a new glue gun. No more re for me. So in this video, I'm going to make my bow first, and then I'm going to fill in all of the flowers. I have nothing in mind of how I'm going to do it. I just go one at a time. I am speeding this up extremely fast just so you can see me making all 8 of them in one video. I had well over 5 hours of footage between all of this, so I definitely had to speed it up super fast so it can be all in one video and not extremely long. I have had several of you guys ask me to make a video solely on just how I make my bows. That will come. Give me a little bit of time. I will be making that. I'm going to do several different sizes, different types of ribbon, and all of that in that one video. That will be coming. But this one here is just showing you how I made these little mini wreaths to put on the chicken coop so they can celebrate the holidays with me, because every single holiday I always have to have my wreath at the door, have my little decor. So they are now going to be joining in. So this is how I am making the spring wreath for them. And now let's start on the Christmas wreath. And now next up, we will be making the Valentine's Day theme. And with some of the longer flowers or heavier flowers, I did kind of do a double duty and use a little bit of the wire that I have just to make sure that it stays on and it's nice and secure. So sometimes I will be using some of the wire and then following up with the glue gun just so it is nice and secure on the wreath. And now let's start working on the St. Patrick's Day themed wreath. This one was actually a lot harder to find green flowers than I thought. I literally bought all of the green that they had, which obviously wasn't much, but it was enough. And then with these little glittery shamrocks that I purchased, they did not have a stick or anything. So I went ahead and used one of my plant sticks and hot glued just a little bit of it. I just broke the stick into like fours and hot glued them, let them sit off to the side to completely dry while I finish the wreath, so then I can add those at the end. I actually had a few of these light green flowers left over from the St. Patrick's Day wreath, so I'm going to add it to this spring wreath to make it a little fuller. And now let's go ahead and make the 4th of July theme. Looking at this one all nice and complete, I feel it is missing one thing. Can you figure it out? It is an American flag, so I ordered a few and I stuck one in there, and I just feel like it just kind of now ties it all together. And now let's start working on the Easter themed wreath. Next holiday will be fall. Let's go ahead and start working on that one now. And now our last and final theme will be for summer. And then I just glued these little bees on top just to add a little accent. And I think it's super cool that the wings on these bees look like they're actually made from chicken's feathers. I just thought that was so cute. Let's go ahead and put the fall one up. Yeah, you hear that squirrel up there? Hey, Carm. Okay, so this is where it is going to go. There's a little hook right there already. How cute. And it fits that area perfectly. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a little, I almost called him a snowman. Nope, that's a scarecrow. There you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and swap them out. I've already put up all of my Christmas decorations. Look at how cute. These little angry chickens. But I already have all my Christmas decorations up for them. And now I just need to swap out the wreath. Oh, you got a big feather over here. Yeah, that was probably from you. They're all molting. So all I do is pick up feathers. But let's go ahead and remove this one and add the Christmas. And I just really love the size because it just fits perfectly just right in front of the coop. Right in the middle of the windows. What? You don't say. Are you trying to dig out of here? Where are you digging to? Java's now losing her tail. She's molting now like the worst. She barely has any tail, but they are all nice and clear from impactions. They're doing amazing, so that's great. But yeah, just wanted to share you them and show you now with the Christmas. And since it's taken me forever to actually sit down and edit this video, we are now into Valentine's Day. So let's put this one up. She always has to come down. If they're up there like getting ready for bed, if I come in here too early. Hi, sweet girl. Oh no, they're all coming down. You think I got treats? I don't got treats. I just have your decor. I want to make sure I get it on here good in case like wind or anything. I don't want to blow off and scare them. And there we are. Are you coming now? Okay, so I'm gonna have to get some treats for you guys. But yeah, so now they are all ready for Valentine's Day. And Vienna is never far from me. I used almost that whole package of glue sticks though on all 8 of these, you guys. But definitely comment down below. Let me know, did you like this video? What do you think of all of the arrangements that I made? Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.